Yo, what is good, YouTube? We are back with another video. We're going to go over the little trade that I took today. It was a small scalp. You can see it up here. I shorted because I missed this. Man, I missed this entire move. If you're not on the free Discord, go join it. It is linked down below. But let's go over this trade and why I took it. Now, I was about to take another trade, but I didn't end up getting filled. So right here, we see SMT at the lows, displacement out of this. Create a little low here. We're engineering liquidity. Come down, swipe this. I had my limit order right on this fair value gap, and we tick it. We don't come. We just hit it to the tick. Never got filled. Missed out on this move up to these highs. My risk was. This was just such an easy trade. My risk was going to be right here, long to up here. But yeah, I never got filled out on this. This was a beautiful trade, but NQ decided not to fucking fill me. So let's go over this trade that I took. So what do you do whenever you miss an entire move, right? I missed this entire move. I can't long up here. I'm not just, there was no turtle soup. There was nothing other than right here. Other than right here. I wanted to see these equal lows get swiped, 15-second displacement out of this to target these highs, but I didn't. This right here was the original long. This was just a beautiful, 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 beautiful beauty of a long right here. 5-minute order block as well. I should have just slapped this. I didn't. I don't know why I didn't. What is this? Power of 3, double purge. We purge the highs, come down, purge the lows, purge the highs during news, and then we absolutely rip face higher. Low resistance liquidity run to that high. But after that, I can't long up here. So what do I need to see shorts happen before I can long up here. So what do? Wait for the shorts to come into play. So right here is whenever that short comes into play, I wait for this 15-second obvious displacement lower. We hold the first imbalance. So right here, what do I wait for? I wait for a stop run. We have buy stops right here. We create a high, we create equal lows, come up, purge the highs. I mark it short. I get filled right around here. Where's my stop at? Right here. I almost get stopped out, but you can see we hold this upper fair value gap. And then I wanted to target these imbalances to rebalance price, but I ended up getting filled somewhere out up here whenever we form an SMT. Right, where do I get filled? I get filled up here. So I took my position off whenever we form that SMT. I'm up $365. So whenever we form that SMT, I immediately kill the trade because I think ES obviously wants to go higher, because look where we are. We were 3 points away from all-time highs. So I'm like, yeah, I'm obviously bullish. I don't want to be stuck in these shorts. But what happens whenever we create this high right here? So we take this high, displace lower, create a fair value gap. I move my stop right to that high. Right here, we hold this fair value gap, and then we dump lower, right? My stop never gets hit, and I'm out for 360 bucks. So if you miss this move, don't chase. This is what I want to make the video on. Don't take this because, or don't try to long this all the way up here, right? Yeah, this obviously ended up holding, but what if we did something like this, rebalance these, and then we ripped higher, right? Wait for those pullbacks, and if we don't, then who cares? You have to just sit here and watch price and be okay with it to do this, right? And then whenever you get a little setup like this, right, 15-20 points on Nasdaq a day, bro, you are totally fine, right? A little 1 to 1.3 up here for me, that's fine with me, right? High quality, it wasn't actually high quality, but it was a high probability setup, but we were just so bullish. I wasn't sure we were going to end up actually, I wasn't sure that trade was going to end up actually working. So obviously it ended up working a little bit. I didn't get the full immediate rebalance that I wanted. Obviously after I get out, we form an SMT with this high, and then we just absolutely dump face. Now this is where I wanted, dude, did I take that limit? Yeah, I took it off. This is where I wanted my long entry, but I ended up not getting filled, so that kind of sucks. But the reason I haven't uploaded in the past couple days is because yesterday I took a trade that I'm pretty sure virtually everybody in the Discord took, so I was like, yeah, there's no reason to even make a video on this. We can look at it real quick so YouTube knows what literally the entire Discord took. I already have it marked off. right here, we form an SMT with the ES. I shorten this fair value gap. Literally the same exact short as everybody in the Discord. We have a CISD. Then we form that SMT. I took it off at the 5-minute rebalance. Right here, whenever we rebalance this inefficiency, that was literally the trade. Super simple. Then I wanted to flip long, but I ended up not taking it. It was actually a really nice long right here. So whenever we rebalance all that, we get displacement out. What are we waiting for? A stop run. Right here, we stop out all these lows, get displacement out, little fair value gap to be your entry, target the highs, boom, done and over with. So yeah, Wednesday, no trade. Wednesday I took a stupid loss. I don't know where it was because it was on the 15-second and I lose track where trades. I need to start saving my trades, but I can't remember where that trade was. I got stopped out just for it to. I had too tight of a stop. That's what the problem was. Too tight of a stop, and this trade's obviously working out. Too tight of a stop. And it just ran to my take profit. So that I was too upset. I wasn't upset. I was just too mad to make a video and sit on the charts the rest of the day. Tuesday, no trades. Wednesday, I uploaded a video. So the reason I haven't uploaded in a while is because that we all took the same trade yesterday. Stupid loss on Wednesday and no trade on Tuesday. So yeah, if you guys aren't in the free Discord, go join it. It's linked down below. And right now, what would I expect the rest of the day? Probably chop around midnight open. I wouldn't be surprised to come see this sell side. But right now, you're going to have to play the internal model, like right here, what I was trying to do. SMT, imbalance, but unfortunately, we never got to that 15-second. We just rebalanced this 1 minute, and then we took off. But where would my stop have been if I just took this? Soup that low. Yeah, I wouldn't risk off that much. Probably right around there. I wouldn't expect this to get filled. And then target these highs. A 1 to 3, so that's not bad. But yeah, if you guys aren't in the free Discord, go join it. It is linked down below. The reason I wanted to make this video is because if you miss a move like this, do not get upset that you missed it and think, how could I have caught that? Yes, I was analyzing the charts and said, yeah, I should have taken this long, but unfortunately I just didn't, right? I didn't take it, and there's nothing I can do about it. There is nothing. I can't go back in time, rewind time, and then end up taking this 200 monster point trade. Oh my god. But would I have held that long? No. Would you have held that long? No. You know you wouldn't have held this entire move. So don't be upset whenever you miss a big move like this. There is going to be other opportunity like right here. If we have a big move like this, it's not just going to keep going straight up. You can, like, don't be scared to short this when it sets up. When it sets up, just take it, and if you lose, right? We're not just going to leave all these imbalances unfilled. We need to rebalance price. The market moves off highs and lows and rebalancing price. That's it. All we do is go into fair value gaps and take highs and lows. Make it simple, right? After we take external, look for rebalancing of price. That's all you have to do. Exactly what this trade was, right? I short, I target internal. Unfortunately for me, I wanted a little lower, but that's virtually what this trade was. So whenever you miss a big move like this, don't think it's the end all be all. Think of, okay, well, we just rocketed up. We should get a rebalance of price. I can short this to rebalance price and then look to long. I was looking to long after this because I thought we were going to all-time highs. We didn't, so I never longed, right? That's it. So yeah, don't be upset if you miss a move. Other than that, I'm out of here. Join the free Discord if you're not in it. Drop a like. Subscribe if you're new because we want 5K by the end of July. Other than that, I'm out. Peace.